Hi friends. In today's video, we will learn how to make an AI image generator using Huggingface, ChatGPT, and Blogger. Let me break down the purpose of these tools. We will use Huggingface for free API, ChatGPT for code generation, and Blogger for free hosting. To get started, you must create an account and logged into these sites. It's very simple to create an account in these platforms, so just create it. Let's get started. Step 1. Once you have created your account on Huggingface, just logged in. You will see a dashboard like this. Just click here on the profile icon, and go to the setting. And click on the access token. Click on New Token. Select Write, and give it a name. Hit Generate Token. Your token is generated. Step 2. Click here on the Model tab. Here you will find different types of AI models. Because we are making an image generator, so select Text to Image. And here you will find a bunch of text to image model. You can select anyone. I am selecting Stable Diffusion XL. Now just click here on the Deploy button. And choose Inference API Serverless. And then click on the JavaScript tab. Now copy this JavaScript code. Step 3. Go to ChatGPT and write the instructions to build the image generator. I will share this ChatGPT link so that you can understand what instructions I wrote. Once you have finished writing your instructions, just paste the copied JavaScript code here. And then hit Submit. ChatGPT will understand the code and instructions and write full HTML code for the image generator. Once ChatGPT has completed the code generation, copy your code. Step 4. Go to Blogger. I assume that you have created your Blogger account and logged in. Just go to the Themes section. Click here, and select this. Again, click here. Turn off the navigation bar so that your site looks good. And finally click on the Edit HTML. Clear the old HTML code. And paste the code you have copied from ChatGPT. Step 5. Go to the Huggingface again, click on Profile icon. Go to the setting. Click on Access Token. And then copy the token you have generated previously. Now come to the Blogger. Paste your token here. And now click on Save. Go back. And hit Visit Blog. Now let's test our image generator. Let's write something here. And hit Generate button. So it generated an image. That means our code is working. Step 6. Now let's ask ChatGPT to improve our site design. Go to ChatGPT. Write the instructions for design improvement. ChatGPT will generate a new code. Copy that code. Go to Blogger. And paste it. And check how it looks and worked. It's looking nice. And it's working fine. So this way, you can build your own image generator for free. It's a very good start for you to grow your skills around artificial intelligence. I will share the link of this ChatGPT so that you can understand what prompt or instructions I have given to ChatGPT to build this image generator. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. So, stay tuned with me for my next video. I assured you that you are gonna learn and grow your skill with me. Let's learn together the magic of AI.